I'm Chris Yates. This is a part 2 of my exit project for my math component. What I'm going to be showing you is the domain of a rational function, and here's our function, f of x equals 1 over x squared plus 5x plus 4. And since this is a quadratic function, we start to find a domain, we always use the denominator. So what we do is we find a quadratic function of this, and then so basically quadratic function is opposite of b, so it'll be negative 5 plus or minus the square root of 5 squared minus 4 times 1, since it's just x, so it's 1. Then that's times c, which is 4, divided by 2 times a, which is 1. So then we find this out. How we do it, we get negative 5 plus or minus the square root of 25 minus 16 over 2. And then we end up with negative 5 plus or minus the square root of plus or minus 3, because the square root of 25 minus 16 gets us 9, and then the square root gets us 3, and that's all divided by 2. And so since we get this, all we do is just work it out. So then when we work it out, we move it over and it becomes negative 5 plus 3 over 2, and the second one is negative 5 minus 3 over 2. And the first one gives us negative 1, and the second answer gives us negative 4. And then we bring it back over here, and so our answers are x equals negative 1 and x equals negative 4. So then our domain is negative infinity to the power of negative 4, u, which connects it with negative 1 to the power of infinity. That's our answer.